So the next thing which we are going to see is polls. So if you go to your home page, you will see that there is already a default poll available. So if you select any one of them and click on vote, you will notice that the vote goes into Magento and you can see the results of your vote. So this way you can collect information from customers through your poll regarding any product or whatever data you want. So to check poll in backend, go to your Magento admin, click on CMS and poll, and you can see that this is the default poll. What is your favorite color? It has been listed here. So just to inspect, let's go inside this and see how it works. So there is a poll question, a status, and here you can see poll answers. It will also list out the count. The count will change dynamically on the number of votes. You can add in an answer or delete any one of them if you don't want it to. So we will create a new poll. So to create a new poll, click on add a new poll and we will post a question. What is your favorite product type? We'll keep it open, and in the poll answers click on add new answer, and the first one will be, we'll add only 2 answers and the product type which we have currently listed in our store, which are electronics and clothes, and we will save the poll. Now we will go to the front end and refresh the page, and now you can see that the new poll is available. So you can click on anyone and you can see it has 100% of the vote on electronics as 1 vote, count as 100% of the vote currently. Now to get more control on your poll, you can go to system, configuration, and in web you will have an option called poll. Click on poll, and this has option disable voting in poll for multiple times from the same IP. It has been set to no. Right now your customers can come in and a single customer can vote in multiple times through a single IP address. If you select this to be yes, then the customer won't be allowed to vote multiple times through a same IP. So right now I am not changing this, keeping it as it is. And if you again go to your poll menu and refresh, you can also see the number of responses for a particular poll. So the next thing which we are going to see is how to change the page layouts. You can change the layout of any of your page depending on the theme. So let's go to our CMS page which we created and change its layout. So we will go to the electronics page, go to design, and right now you can see the layout is selected to be 1 column. So just to recollect, let's go to electronics page and check how it looks. Now let's change the layout to 3 columns and refresh the page. So now you can see the way it looks has been changed. So this way you can display different contents left side as well as right side. Now I will again go back to the CMS page and change it to a 2 column with right bar. Now refresh the page again and you can see again it looks a little different. It now only has a right bar. Similar way you can have your content with only a left bar. Now let us go to a category page and see how it looks when we change the layout. So we go to our clothes, and right now as you can see it is a 3 column layout. Now after knowing this, you can differentiate between layouts of Magento. By default Magento provides a 3 column layout, 2 column with a left bar and 2 column with right bar, and of course the 1 column which is available for all CMS pages by default. So if you go to t-shirts category, so if you go to t-shirt categories and custom design, you can see there is an option of page layout updates. So right now there are no layout updates and a default layout will be shown. So if you want to change the page layout, select 1 column and now refresh the page. So now you can see that only your products are being displayed and there is no layered navigation in the category. Now we'll again change the layout to 2 column with right and save. So we can again see that the layout has changed. So just to summarize, Magento allows you to change layout of each and every page you want. The layout can be dependent on theme at times.
In the next session, we are going to learn about text in Magento.